This Bluetooth earbuds battery. So this is small lithium polymer. This is the size of the battery. It is 25 milliampere. So this is small. We have 4 pieces, 25 milliampere. We're going to test what is the voltage of each Bluetooth battery. I'm going to use this. We're going to use the tester 3.8 volts. This is 3.8, then 3.8. This is another set of Bluetooth headset or earbuds battery. So this is 40 milliampere. Much bigger than the other one, than this. So this is much bigger than this Bluetooth headset battery. This is 40 milliampere comparing to this 25 milliampere. So this 40 is bigger than this 25 milliampere. So you can see the size. Okay, we can measure it. These four, the voltage, three point nine, 3.9, 3.9, 4.0. So it's still with charge. To charge this battery, if this is 25 milliampere, we can charge it using 25 milliampere of current. If this is 40 milliampere, 40 milliampere, that is the maximum fast charge. Or you can we can charge this just value, half of the value of this battery. If this is 40 milliampere, we can charge this with just 20 milliampere. So we can see that battery here. This is an earbuds headset, Bluetooth headset. This is the Bluetooth headset battery, also called lithium polymer Bluetooth earbuds battery, the same as this one. So this one serve as a for emergency. You can see here the same size, or this one 40 milliampere. That is our earbuds Bluetooth battery.